How to fix no internet connection on CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix an error on CapCut that says no internet connection. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by opening a web browser and trying to load a web page. If the web page is loaded, that means your internet connection is good and there are some other problems with CapCut. You can either switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile network to see if the issue still persists. If that still doesn't help you, then simply restart your device. Restarting a device can resolve connectivity issues sometimes. So once you restart your device, load the CapCut and check whether the issues has been solved or not. If still not, then check for CapCut updates. For that, open up your Play Store and on the search bar type in CapCut. If you get an update option in CapCut, simply tap on update, and once the application is updated, open up and check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the issue still persists, then what you can do is open up the settings in your device and then go to apps. Again, tap on see all apps. From here, search for CapCut and tap on CapCut. Here, tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions on CapCut. If some of the permissions is not allowed, simply allow them. And once you make it sure, again go back, then tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. That will remove all the junk file of CapCut from your device, which might help you to solve the problem. Once you have done all of this, go back and launch the CapCut application. If the problem still occurs, then what you can do is simply uninstall the CapCut from your device and after that install it from Google Play Store. Once you install it, open the application and your problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix an error that says no internet connection on CapCut. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you on next video.